In this final session, we'll fetch records based on conditions, not IDs. This is how real-world automation works. Step 1. Define the criteria. First, decide your filter logic. For example, leads with status equals open, deals above a certain amount, contacts from a specific city. Step 2. Ask Gemini precisely. Now open Gemini and describe the condition clearly. Prompt to Gemini. Write a Zoho Deluge script to fetch records from the Leads module where email is navi.com using criteria. Step 3. Review criteria syntax. Gemini will usually return code using search records criteria string. Make sure the field API names are correct. Step 4. Create the function. Go to Setup, Functions, and create a new standalone function. Name it based on the logic, like fetch open leads. Step 5. Paste the script. Paste the code from Gemini. Adjust criteria values if needed. This is where customization happens. Step 6. Execute and inspect output. Click Execute. On the right side, you'll see all matching records listed. Step 7. Save and deploy. Once confirmed, click Save or Save and Close. You can now attach this function to workflows, schedules, or buttons. Every great solution starts with an idea. Tell us your vision, and we'll design the next steps and workflow to bring it to life. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.